Welcome to our Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam adventure. This is day 2 on the Las Vegas trip. Today we are exploring one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world. In this today's trip, we have gone via a package trip. The information you can see on the screen. It was a 12-hour trip which also includes a helicopter ride from the South Rim to the Colorado River. अभी हम लोग जाएंगे हेलीकॉप्टर राइड पे, उसके पहले देयर इज अ फॉर्मेलिटीज टू कंप्लीट.
Hi. How can I help you?
This is Abhishek.
Okay. Go ahead and step on that scale.
Okay. Measuring the weight so they can plan how many people will be there in the helicopter. Okay, thank you.
What's your time on your watch?
12:23. They are checking the time, making sure I have Arizona time set in the watch, as they know I'm coming from Vegas, so I am following Nevada time, which is different. We will be taking the helicopter ride operated by maverik. तो अभी हम लोगों ने फॉर्मेलिटीज़ कंप्लीट किए थे, वहाँ पे वेट चेक करना एंड अदर डिटेल्स. अभी वापस जा रहे हैं इन द बस टू कलेक्ट द टिकट. We now boarded on the helicopter, and this has been my dream to explore the Grand Canyon from the helicopter. I am very excited to drive into this incredible journey. We are witnessing 200 crores years of Earth geological history in front of our eye. After a lifetime memorable helicopter ride exploring the Grand Canyon, we are heading back to the base. And you can see the helicopter is getting grounded now. Here comes a shuttle bus. So we'll be taking one of these buses to explore various points within the Grand Canyon. You will not be able to drive in general, so you have to take one of these buses. These are hop and hop off. So the places you like, you can spend more time, else you can move on. Let's get inside the bus and take a seat. Now we reached one of the main attraction, the Skywalk at Eagle Point. Based upon the time you are reaching here, there could be a queue, as you see in this our case. Once you are inside, you will be able to witness the local tribe, their history, and how this area got developed over the years. And this is the Skywalk. You will not be able to take camera there, so you have to take photo with them. With this, we finished our Grand Canyon part of this today's trip. And now we are heading towards the Hoover Dam, engineering marvel.
But due to drought conditions, the water level has dropped immensely. Lake Mead is also one of the largest man-made lakes. And as you know, the Colorado River gets its main source from the Rockies. As the ice melts, it comes down and it turns into the river, part of the Lake Mead. Is part of the power plant connected to the part of the Hoover Dam that generates all the electric power. And here in front of us, this is the main bridge that was created after 9/11. They had to create this bridge to have the highway bypass. So it's now future Interstate 11. But before this, the creation of this bridge, the whole highway had to cross through the Hoover Dam, just like you've seen on the movies. And coming up to your right, you'll be able to see the Colorado River. There's also the visitor center here on your left, and the parking structure is right behind it. And if you can see at one point the water level used to reach all the way to the line where the white mark is. That's how much less of water we have now. When the water level reaches max capacity, this is for the overflow to your right.
Here are some information about the Hoover Dam on your screen. Now we are leaving from the Hoover Dam. On the return, we will be having a quick stopover at Lake Mead for the photo sessions. It's a wonderful view, the man-made lake. We are heading back to Vegas now, end of day 2. See you in day 3, we will witness the Sphere in Vegas, an 18,000 capacity giant theater. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay connected.